For number 16, I'm going to start by writing this in rational exponent form. My goal is to solve for x. So I want to start by somehow eliminating the 1/2. So I want to raise both sides to the reciprocal, which is 2. Because I have multiplying between these two quantities, I can distribute the 2 to both the left and right quantity. When you distribute it, they cancel out, effectively turning into 1s, and cancel it here, effectively turning into 1s. On the right-hand side, 3 squared is 9. Now I'm going to FOIL. Front, outside, inside, last. Front, outside, inside, last. Moving the 9 over and combining like terms. 2x squared minus 1x minus 15. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to equal -30 and combine to give you -1. That is factorable, x minus 6 and x plus 5. Don't forget to do bottoms up since the leading coefficient is not a positive 1. So this reduces to -3 and positive 5/2. Remember, our goal is to solve. That means one answer appears to be x equals 3. The second is x equals -5/2. Okay, we always have to check for extraneous solutions when our nth root is even. So I'm going to start by plugging in 3. 3 subtract 2 is 1. Once again, 3 subtract 2 is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. Now over here, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. That means 3 works. I'm going to use the calculator to take care of this. I know -5/2 is equal to -2.5, but if you didn't know that, plug it in, -5 divided by 2. So whenever I have to use a -5/2, I will substitute in -2.5. So I'm going to take -2.5, subtract 2. And I have a -4.5. We're only working with real numbers. It's not possible to take a square root of a -4.5 because we can't take square roots of negative numbers when we're only working with reals. So this is an extraneous solution.